What it do? What it do? What it do? What it do? What it do, baby? What it do, baby? It's your boy BK Roberts, B to the K, with another HomeFree reaction video for you. So today we have another HomeFree banger. Okay. You know what? Let's get into the song. Let's get into the song. However, before we do, I want you to smash that subscribe button, smash that beautiful like button, smash the share button, smash every single buttons on this account. Smash it up, you know what I'm saying? Okay, and if you want to see more on free or any other artists, make sure you post the link in the comment section below. Post the link, alright? Let's just enjoy this beautiful song, baby. Let's go, baby. You know what time it is. Okay.
I love you're in that shower, turn on, bet there's nothing but a towel on you. You sing along with some Timberlake bumping, but he ain't got nothing on you. I don't wanna hear the coffee pouring, a goodbye kiss, then locking the door, yeah, sounds like leaving you. It's a little too loud on the highway, I wanna pull back in your driveway. It's way too quiet at my place, wanna come on over, come on over. I just wanna hear that ringtone, I like it turned up when you're blowing up my phone. Wanna hear you say come on over, cause when you tell me to come on over, I like the sound of that. Oh, 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 I like the sound, I like the sound of that. I love the sound of the thunder rolling, it makes you move a little closer to me. And girl, I bet that your neighbors hate us, cause we can laugh all night and never sleep. We can worry about the world in the morning, light up a candle, lock the door, wanna stay right here with you. Yes, I do. It's a little too loud on the highway, I wanna pull back in your driveway. It's way too quiet at my place, wanna come on over, come on over. I just wanna hear that ringtone, I like it turned up when you're blowing up my phone. Wanna hear you say come on over, cause when you tell me to come on over, I like the sound of that. Oh, 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 I like the sound, I like the sound of that. Turn your radio on, baby, turn down the light. I ain't going nowhere, I'm all yours tonight. It's a little too loud on the highway, I wanna pull back in your driveway. It's way too quiet at my place, wanna come on over, come on over. I just wanna hear that ringtone, I like it turned up when you're blowing up my phone. Wanna hear you say come on over, cause when you tell me to come on over, I like the sound of that. Oh, 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 I like the sound, I like the sound of that. Oh, 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 I like the sound, I like the sound of that. Oh, 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 I like the sound, I like the sound of that. Oh, 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 I like the sound, I like the sound of that.
I love this song. I love it. You know what I'm saying? It is funny, it is entertaining, it is playful, you know, and also it is romantic too, you know what I'm saying, in a naughty way. And this song is catchy, you know what I'm saying? It is so catchy, and I love that on free, you know what I'm saying, every one of their songs are so interesting, you know what I'm saying? So playful, so open, you know what I'm saying? Like, listen, this, in my opinion, it is one of the best songs from HomeFree. In my opinion, I love it. Because I just love how playful it is, how catchy it is, and how simple it is. Like it wasn't complicated. You know what I'm saying? So I love that. And I just gotta say, man, like I enjoyed it a lot, man. I ain't gonna lie to you. Especially that nerd, you know what I'm saying? Yeah, trying to get the girl, acting all, crazy and stuff, you know what I'm saying? And this is a song that everybody can understand. You know what I'm saying? Like anybody can understand this song because, you know, we have all, at least most of us have been to high school and seen the nerd trying to get the girl in high school, how awkward it is, you know what I'm saying? Because he ain't got no game, you know what I'm saying? So yeah, so this is a song that we all can understand, but anyway, I enjoyed it. Okay, I want to thank you so much. God bless. If you want to see my own free or any other artist, smash that beautiful subscribe button. Okay, I'm out, baby. It's your boy BK Roberts.